Yeah, remember, this is my hidden talent. A lot of people don't know that. Dandadas really, you know what I mean? With them dancing thing, but we have a little community program going right now. You understand? So, alright, the Boga dance. It's all about the flavor, the ants in the ear. So when you look at it, you see the ants in the ear. Because remember, Boga represents our ancestors. You know what I mean? Because one of our national heroes, Boga. Get them so the Boga dance, we have to look into the sky because we really represent. And we look up and we flow the dance. Hey, they really don't know so after the dance nobody knows. So what's your style you know? And then you remember now we did a new dance called Watcha. So then we keep the ants here. So instead of here we keep them here and we give that same type of flavor like the Boga dance. Watcha, Watcha. And then we speed it up a little bit. Watcha, Watcha. Watcha, 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 watcha. So this type of dance move where I try to bring back in dance move, these dance moves, yeah? Where, you know, the dance all flavor. But remember, you know, don't tell nobody say the dance that is a dance. You know, if somebody run on one corner, nobody can't see it. You understand? Because I'm a area leader. But I used to dance, I get a little project, yeah? And I share it to you guys. Yes?
Yes.
Good?
Good.
That's a normal thing, man.
Look like that vehicle are trailing so.
Oh, you think?
Hello, Bob. Let me finish it. I don't know.
Alright,
What? Yo, we never know you still a skank die. I mean, them way there with.
all the mash up in your family, but I keep the fitness level up. You know it already. Remember, so that lady them on with the link with our program for the community. So I have to keep the community buzzing with you.
What? It's a good look that dog. So what them people are far from though?
For real. The other one come from Egypt and the other one come from the motherland, Ivory Coast.
What other thing international? Glad we see I get back now dancing thing still.
Brother, so go and kick it off, you know. Because right now when I pray, I get some youth in our community to go and do some class on the ground, dog. Get to me and say so they can have a piece of food for themselves.
Yeah, but with the knowledge where you have still now, dada, you need to get back now again, dog.
Brother, you know my style. Can't too up front. If you just go on easy and oversee what I go on.